Hello, welcome to the class of Wireshark. So today in this class we will learn how to edit preferences in Wireshark. So here the preferences include some basic setting regarding Wireshark before using it for capturing packets. So we can select the preferences by going to edit option and next to the preferences. So this dialog box will pop up. So as we've seen, as you click over this option, edit preferences, the same dialog box will open. So this is a shortcut for this. And now you can see this preference dialog box. Here in this, there is a user interface that has opened as the default page, and on the left side there is a tree form where you can select the page to be shown. Like I selected capture, so it will show me the capture options. Filter expression, it shows the filters option. Name resolution, it shows the name resolution option. As its default page is user interface, as you click over the preferences, it will open this user interface as the default page. Next to it there is a basic setting about the Wireshark window, how you want to display this Wireshark window. Like you want to save the window position, save window size, or check for the updates, maximum recent filters, confirm unsaved capture files. So these are the basic settings about the Wireshark. So these options are self-explanatory. You can adjust these according to your needs. And you also mention your directory, in which directory you want to save the trace files and so on. Next we come up to the next part, that is layout part. So here we can do some interesting work, or we can change the layout of the capturing window. So here we have lot of layout, like the sequence layout, this 1 2 3 layout that divides the window detail pane and window byte pane and so on. So we can use these to adjust our capturing window, and we can also select from here, like we want pane 1 as a packet list, packet detail, or packet byte pane. Like I want my pane 2 as a packet list or packet detail or a packet byte. So this can adjust according to our needs. So as I selected here this option, this layout, and I have adjusted here, like I want pane 1 to show the packet detail, pane 2 as the packet byte, and pane 3 as the packet list. So as I click over to the apply option and then next to the OK, so select here from the interface and next click over to the start. So this layout will open. So as I click over to the stop, so capturing of window will stop. So here you can see that here it gives the packet detail pane, this one is the packet byte pane, and this one is the packet list pane. So it adjusts according to the selected layouts. So as you want to save this file, you can click over this option, save option, and you can give it the name as trace 4 and next click over to the save. So this file will get saved. So click close this and again come back to the preferences, adjust this window. So next, so this is about the layout, how you can select the particular layout that suits your need. Next to it, you can also adjust the alternating row colors in list and trees, packet, byte, highlight style, toolbar style. You want it like an icon only, or you want it as a text only. You can also adjust the filter toolbar placement. You want this filter toolbar at the main toolbar, below the main toolbar, or in the status bar. So you can adjust this according to your needs or according to your how you want to see the Wireshark display. Next to it there is option of column. So here you can sort the columns according to how you want to see these packets. So as here it see the number, time, source, destination, protocol, length, and info. So these are all in unhidden stage, means we can see these all in our capturing window. So as I start capturing, and click over this top option. So here you can see this, these same columns like number, time, source, destination, protocol, length, information, etc. So as you come over this column option, you can also have the same option. So is here you can add or remove the that you don't want to see here. Like if you want to add, click over this add option and there a new option will come. So you can select here from field type in which field you want to see this column. So you can select from here the type of the field. So as you select like I have selected the relative time, so this will show me the relative time. So I want to give its name as R time. So you can enter this and you want to show this in your column or packet list pane, click over this too and click over apply next to the OK option. So now you can see here it show me the relative time of these packets, in which relative time it's capture this packet, it show here. So you can add column according to your needs. Next to it, again open this preferences window, click over to the column option, and if you don't want to see these relative time, you can unhide this. And if you don't want to see the time option and the length, so you can unhide this. And as you click over the apply option, you can see from here it eliminate this option, like it doesn't see every there is no time option, there is no relative time, there is no length option. So it eliminate these or hide these options from here. So as these are important, so you can select from to unhide these. So as you don't want this relative time to be shown and you want to remove this column, so you can select from here this option and then click over to the remove. So these option will remove from these column options. So in this way you can select sort these columns in your capturing window. Next to it there is option of font and color. So here you can change the font and the color of your display or the packets. So here as you want to change the font, you can go here, click over this option. So this font window will open. So you can select from different font. This font is okay with this. Next we can select from the style, in which style you want to see this. As I selected oblique and I want to see this in 13 or in 13 size. So as I select these all option, I will click over to the OK and next to the apply. So as I apply over this, you can see here some difference in the appearance of these by this packet detail pane and packet byte pane and packet list pane. There is some difference. So if you don't want these, you can select this option and you can click over to this normal option and then to the OK. And next come up to the coloration part. So here it gives the sample coloration, that it sample marked packet text will be shown in this black color, and this sample follow stream client text will be shown in this pink color, and so on. So it displays some colors. So you can also adjust these colors according to your need. You can also change the appearance of this color according to yourself. So these are okay to itself. And we can see here you can adjust these options also, their coloration styles and so on. So come up to the next part, there is an option of capture. So here some options are we have discussed earlier in capture option. So here you can select any default interface. You can select any of the default interface. As you select here, as you on this Wireshark, as you click over the Wireshark option and click over to the start, so it will automatically start capturing the packet over the default interface. And next is to edit interface. So as you want to edit the interfaces, so this window will open. So you can select here that you want to hide or unhide this option. Next to it you can select the buffer size, limit the packets, promiscuous mode, you can on the promiscuous mode, etc. So these are regarding to the interface options. Next to it, there is a option of promiscuous mode that you want to on this option or not. Then pcap ng format. These all are we have discussed in earlier lecture. Next to it, there is a column option. As you click over this, this window will open. Like it select the link layer header, promiscuous mode, snap length in bytes. So you want to see these columns in your capture option. You can select from here. Then click over to the OK. So next there is option of filter expression. So here you can select, you can make a profile. So as you want to capture the packet over, you only want to capture TCP or the DNS packet, you can make here a label, or you want make here a profile, particular profile related to that. As you another time, as you want to again capture the TCP files, you can click over the particular profile. There is no need to mention again you want to filter the TCP files or DNS file accordingly. So you can select from here the particular profile on which you want to work. So this is used to make the new label. As you want to capture on a TCP file, you can add its name and then you have to give its expression. So next to it, there and if you want to remove, you can select this option. Next to it, there is the option of name resolution. So here you can see there is a lot of options, and we have also discussed this option earlier, like resolve MAC address, where we want to resolve the MAC address to the its system name, and transport names, network address, and so on. So these are all discussed earlier. So there are some option like this. So these GeoIP database directory. So these options, so name resolution options. So these options can be last three options. So their things are available over the internet. So you can download these options from over the internet, and you have to update time to time according to their upcoming updates. Next to it, there is option of printing. So if you want to take the printout of this capturing window, you can select from here in which format you want to print and click over to the OK option. Next, there is a option of protocol. So as you expand this option, so it will find out a lot of protocols. Some are familiar and some are not, so they open a lot of protocols. So this option is used to select the protocols and regarding the setting of this protocol, that you want to hide or the protocol items or not, and various options. Next to it, there is the option of static. So this is not much of need. You can eliminate this part for now. So this is all about how to edit the preferences of the Wireshark. Thank you.